I'm gonna make Elvis's favorite sandwich.
Oh, stupida, we have no bread. Remember, it turned? We had to dispose of it.
Oh, shoot! What are we gonna do?
Boquita, use the tortillas.
Great idea! Today I'm going to make Elvis Quesadillas.
Que rico. So, what did Elvis sing?
Love me tender?
No thanks.
Let's get started! The ingredients for Elvis Quesadillas are flour tortillas, sliced bananas, peanut butter, bacon bits, mini chocolate chips, and butter. And of course, bacon is always optional for vegetarians like Pac-Man. First, spread the peanut butter over one side of the tortilla. Then, top half the tortilla with banana slices, bacon bits, and mini chocolate chips. Next, fold tortilla in half. Then, on a stovetop pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, add folded tortilla and heat until golden brown. Then flip and heat other side until golden. Lastly, cut quesadilla into bite-sized slices and eat!
Ay, delicioso.